Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it is your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys. And today it is the holiday season. Yes, the holiday season is upon us. And what other season is there besides holiday season? VR season, man. So what we're gonna do here today is talk about the MetaQuest 3 and the MetaQuest 3S. Don't be confused with this purchase. We're going to break down the key differences between those two headsets and which one makes the more economical sense for you during this holiday season. Now, I will be the first to tell you that don't let the S fool you. It's not like the iPhone used to be, where you get the iPhone 6 and then a year later you get the 6S with slightly better specs. This is not that, but we're gonna get into it. You already know what it is, folks. Here ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get it. So let's just dive right into the key differences between these two headsets, right? Number one, the display. That's the most important part of a VR headset, is the display. Now, the Quest 3 boasts a higher resolution at 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye. Right? While the Quest 3S comes in at 1832 by 1920. What does that mean in the real world, really? Well, with the Quest 3, you're getting a sharper, more detailed picture, which is awesome for immersion in gaming and really feeling like you are a part of that. And another part of that is if you are a sufferer of vertigo, motion sickness, things like that, the Quest 3 will offer a better experience to you for that reason, for those pancake lenses inside the Quest 3. Now, I just used the term pancake lenses. Let's talk about that. So the Quest 3 uses pancake lenses, which is a newer technology that can offer a slimmer design and a potentially better image quality. Now, I from firsthand can attest to you that as a user of the Quest 2, the Quest 3 is night and day difference. Now, the 3S sticks with the tried and true Fresnel lenses, which are reliable and generally more affordable, which cuts down the price, which is why the price of the 3S is what it is. Now, both have their pros and cons, but ultimately it comes down to personal preference. For me, the pancake lenses are leaps and bounds better than the Fresnel lenses for me. It took me maybe a good 30 minutes to like really get used to it, but the crispiness that is offered by the 3, bruh, you can't beat that. Like, I'm telling you right now, not to say that the 3S visuals aren't immersive, but again, you're looking at a product with the 3S that is slightly below the 3. And again, it all comes down to what makes economical sense for you during this holiday season. Now, let's talk about storage. So the Quest 3 comes in two storage options. You get a 128 gig option and a 256 gig option, right? Giving you plenty of space to store your favorite games and apps. Now, the 3S, on the other hand, is currently only offered in a 128 gigabyte version. Is that the end of the world? No, but again, you're looking at a device with a slightly lower price point for the entry into the VR world, which makes for a great, I wouldn't even say a stocking stuffer for the holidays, but I mean, if the little tyke wants a VR set or the spouse wants a VR headset and you want to make sure that you get, you know, them something that's quality and not one of these ones that come from, we're not going to bash those. We're not going to do that. It's only two options here. We got the 3S and the 3. But let's get into more reasons and more difference between these two, and you make the ultimate decision on which one gives you more bang for your buck. And now let's talk about the price, which is the reason kind of why people make their decisions, right? The Quest 3 starts off at, well, this price, and the 3S is priced at this one. So between these two, you know, the price could really be the difference in making that decision on which one you get. Some people just don't care about price and they want the more shiny thing, which would be the 3. But sometimes it's just not that simple. $300, $250, $300, $400 onwards is a lot of money when it comes to making purchases for some people. So again, choose wisely. But if you're one who wants to, you know, get the most bang for their buck, I'm just saying, you might want to get the 3. I'm just saying. The 3S ain't bad. Not at all. But I'm just saying. So if you are a serious gamer or the person you are buying this for during the holiday season is a serious gamer, you might want to keep an eye out for those Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals that may possibly still be going on, because they say Black Friday, but we know deals have been going on well before Black Friday and well after. As of the recording of this video, there are still sales going on. Now, if you are looking to purchase one of these said VR headsets, there's a link down below which you can use. And yes, it does help the channel if you buy that, but also there is a discount code in the comment section below for you to use to get a nice discount courtesy of your boy Money Matt here on the set. So, you know, I'm just saying, let's help each other out, right? Just a little bit. No, but I'm only here just to make sure you guys get the best deal possible, because again, everybody just ain't got it like that, and sometimes any little bit helps in making that determining factor on which one of these said headsets is the one that you may want to go with for this holiday season. These things are in high demand, as they always are during the holiday season, so you might want to get on there and grab you one, and you won't be upset. I promise you, you won't be upset with the new advent of games like the new Batman game, bruh. I gotta do a whole video on that. We'll talk about that in another video, but bruh, that probably is the game of the year when you talk about gaming on VR headsets. It's really good. And if you're a sports fan like me, you can sit courtside at NBA games, bruh, in VR. It is freaking amazing. I'm just saying. So, with that being said, man, hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Be sure to visit the comment section, because I'll be hanging out there. Let me know if you are interested in VR gaming, VR headsets. Let me know if you want me to make new content on head straps, carrying cases, all the accessories, things like that for this holiday season, so you can have the ultimate package when it comes to VR gaming. Again, I'm your boy Money Matt here from the set, and we wanted to break down a few key differences between those two headsets, because the lettering will fool you. Most times, S products are just slightly better than the last one, sometimes. But in this case, The 3S is kind of like the 2 Plus, if you really want to bring it down to brass and text. Totally different redesign. So there you go. I'm your boy Money Man, here from the set with another tech tip offering holiday, what's the word I'm looking for here? Advice, shopping advice for VR headsets, along with a hefty discount down below in the description. I'm gonna holler at y'all folks later. Peace.